Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to u squared because I want to cancel about the square root in here. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have to use the u. Later that we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 9, so I will put number 9 on here. So we can find the value of u by using about the square root for the both sides. And you got about u equals to number 3 when s equal to 64. So I will put about number 64 in here and we got about u equals to number 8. So this one we have number 3, this one we have number 8. So we put this one gone here. The s we change by this one. So this one we have u. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to the square root of 1 plus u. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root and we have 1 plus u. Next, because we have u, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we have t squared minus 1 equals to u. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides and we have 2t dt equals to du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 3, so I will put number 3 on here to find the value of t. So t equals to the square root of number 1 plus 3, we have number 4. The square root of number 4, we have number 2. When u equals to number 8, so I will put number 8 on here. 8 plus 1, we have number 9. The square root of number 9, we have number 3. So number 3 we change by number 2. Number 8 we change by number 3. The square root we change by t. U we change by this one. Du we change by this one. So t divided by t we cancel. Number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. And now I will put number 4 go outside. And now we have the final answer. The integration of t to the power of 2, we have t to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of number 1, we have t. And then I will put the bounds from number 2 to number 3. Now I will put number 3 on here and number 2 on here. And then we have the final answer. That is about 64 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.